Hello children, we are doing chapter 2. After completion of exercise 2.3, let us begin. Let us doing some optional questions or additional questions that may be asked in the examination. So let us begin with the question. This is the question in front of you. Now, what must be subtracted from the polynomial 8x to the power 4 plus 14x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 8 so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by the 4x cube, 4x square plus 3x minus 2. That means we have two polynomials here. First px and second gx. We have two polynomials. And what is our question? Ki what must be subtracted from the first polynomial px so that it is exactly divisible by the second polynomial gx. So now it is not completely divisible by gx. Px is equal to px is not completely divisible by gx. So when we will divide it, we will get some remainder. That means the remainder must be subtracted from the result of division of the px and gx. Here px is equal to 8 x to the power 4 plus 14 x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 8, and gx is equal to 4x square plus 3x minus 2. So what must be subtracted? So we must subtract the rx. We must subtract the remainder rx from the result from the result ना बोल के इसको हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि from we must subtract rx from the result found by the rx found on dividing px by gx. We must subtract the rx found on dividing px by gx from px. इसका मतलब हुआ जब हम px को gx से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो हमको रिमाइंडर मिलेगा. उस रिमाइंडर को हमको px में से माइनस करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके ये जो px है वो gx से completely divisible होगा. Now it is not a completely divisible. So let us divide the px by gx. Here the px is equal to 8x4 plus 14x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 8 divided by 4x square plus 3x minus 2. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या हो जाएगा आपका? क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? फर्स्ट टर्म क्या मिल जाएगी? 8x4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4x स्क्वायर, 4 2 ज़ा 8, x स्क्वायर दैट इज 2x स्क्वायर. सो फर्स्ट टर्म अपनी क्या मिल गई है हमको? 2x स्क्वायर. अब इस 2x स्क्वायर से आप पूरी डिवाइजर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 8x4 plus 6x cube minus 4x square. On solving it, when we subtract, the signs are changed. So 14x minus 6x, that is 8x cube plus 2x square plus 7x minus 8. Now we want to the second term of the quotient. So second step में क्या करते हैं आप, 8x cube divided by 4x square, 4 ones are 4 twos are, that is 2x. What is your answer? 2x. On dividing first term, we'll get the 2x. So next term of the quotient will be 2x. 2 4s are 8x cube plus 6x square minus 4x. Again, on solving it, we'll get minus 4x square plus 11x minus 8. थर्ड स्टेप आपका हो जाएगा minus 4x square divided by 4x square, which is equal to minus 1. So next step of क्या हो जाएगा, minus 1. So here you will get minus 4x square minus 3x plus 2. On solving it, you will get (14x minus 10). So this is your remainder. What is this? This is your remainder. So to divide it completely, remainder should be 0. That means we don't want this term in our division, or from the this term should be subtracted from the px. So आंसर ये हो जाएगा आपका, आंसर we must subtract 14x minus 10 from the px to make it completely divisible by gx. So I hope you have understood this. What we have done, आपका क्वेश्चन था कि फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल में से किस नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि वो सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल से कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल हो जाए. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we'll divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial. Then we will get some remainder here because it is not completely divisible now. To make it a completely divisible, we will subtract the remainder from the px, first polynomial px, to make it completely divisible by gx. So that was the question number 1. Now let's move to the next question. Find the value of the a and b so that x cube, x4 plus x cube plus 8x square plus ax plus b is divisible by this number. For what value of a and b? The first polynomial px, let we have two polynomial. First polynomial is px and second polynomial is gx. Now we want to find the value of a and b for which the first polynomial px is completely divisible by the second polynomial gx. So let us divide first. px is equal to x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 8x square plus ax plus b, and what is gx? Gx is equal to x square plus 1. When px divided by gx completely, the remainder should be equal to 0. So let us divide first. Px by gx, that is x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 8x square plus ax plus b plus ax plus b. Let us divide this by x square plus 1, मतलब px को हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं gx से. फर्स्ट टर्म क्या हो जाएगी आपकी? फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ द कोशेंट इज इक्वल टू x to the power 4 divided by x square. So when you will divide, you will get x square. First term हमको मिल गया x square. Now we will multiply this divisor by x square. x4 plus 0 plus x square. So we'll write the same term one below the other. X square. Now on solving it, we'll get x cube minus plus 7x square plus ax plus b. Again second term क्या मिलेगी हमको? Second term of the quotient will get x cube divided by x square. So here we will get x x cube plus x. On solving it, we'll get 7x square plus a minus 1x plus b. Now अगेन थर्ड टर्म क्या मिलेगी हमको? 7x square divided by x square. So we'll divide. नेक्स्ट टर्म हमको क्या मिल रही है? 7, which is equal to 7. So here 7x square plus 7. We'll write the same term below, one below the other. On solving it, we'll get a minus 1 into x plus b minus 7. This is your remainder. This is your remainder. And to divide the px by gx exactly, the remainder must be 0. If x square plus 1, or you can write if gx divides the px completely, rx is equal to 0. अब आपको इससे क्या मिल जाएगा? a minus 1 into x plus b minus 7 is equal to 0. Implies that a minus 1 into x is equal to 0. So here a minus 1 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 and b minus 7 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 7. Implies that for a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 7, the px is divisible by gx. The px is divisible by gx. तो आपने देखा किस तरह से हमने इसको डिवाइड किया है और उससे हमने a और b की वैल्यू फाइंड कर ली है. आप यहाँ से इसको देखिएगा, ये देखिए a माइनस वन इंटू एक्स प्लस बी माइनस सेवन इज इक्वल टू जीरो. दिस इज अवर रिमाइंडर. So remainder must be 0 when the first polynomial is divisible by second polynomial. So a minus 1 into x plus b minus 7 is equal to 0. This is possible only when a minus 1 is equal to 0, implies that a is equal to 1 and b minus 7 is equal to 0. Then only the remainder will be equal to 0. So in this way we have got the values of a and b. For this value of a and b, the px is divisible by gx. What must be added to this so that the resulting polynomial is divisible by gx? So what we have to do here, आपको पूछा है कि जो फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल px है, इसमें से किस पॉलिनोमियल क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाए, क्या ऐड किया जाए. व्हाट मस्ट बी, सपोज दिस इज px and this is your gx. We have two polynomials. So what must be added to the first polynomial so that the resulting polynomial is dividing by this? Resulting polynomial is dividing by this. That means there should be no remainder. So we have to subtract the remainder from the fx. Remainder from the fx. We must add minus rx. Here fx is equal to 4x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1, and gx is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3x. So we must add minus of rx. We must add minus rx to fx to get it divisible by gx. To get it divisible by so first of all we'll find the rx, then we can find the minus rx. That means जो remainder है उसको हम reduce कर दें, उसको हम eliminate कर दें. If you eliminate the remainder from the fx, then you can then the polynomial will be completely divisible by gx. So first of all we'll find the remainder. To find the remainder we'll divide the px by gx. Let us divide the px by gx. Yeah, fx by gx. Here the fx is equal to 4x. Polynomial may be px, fx. You can name it as you like. Plus 2x square, 2x cube. This is 2x cube plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. X square plus 2x minus 3. So let us see. Let us find the remainder. First step क्या होगा आपका? 4x square, 4x to the power 4 divided by x square. So you will get 4x square into x square, 4x to the power 4 plus 4 2s are 8 x cube minus 4x square, 4 3s are 12, 12x square. On solving it, you will get minus 6x cube plus 10x square plus x minus 1. Now second step, you will get minus 6x cube divided by x square. So here you will get minus 6x cube minus 12x square (6 to the 12) x into x square plus 18x. On solving, you will get 22x square minus 17x again there is a problem with pen. Twenty-two x square minus 17x minus 1. Here third step, 22x square upon x square, that is 22. So we'll next step we will get 22. So 22x square minus 44x minus 66. On solving it, we'll get 44x minus 17x (27x square) 27x 1 minute plus 17x. This is 40 plus 44x. So when you will solve it, you will get minus 44x. And in this way, you will get 61x. Here you will get minus 61x plus 65. This is your remainder. Rx, and what we have assumed that minus Rx should be subtracted. So Rx is equal to, if Rx is equal to minus 61x plus 65, implies that minus Rx is equal to minus of minus 61x plus 65. That is minus 61x plus 61x minus 65 will be your answer. Should be subtracted. Answer क्या हो जाएगा आपका? (61x minus 65) should be subtracted, should be added to fx, so that resulting polynomial will be divisible by gx. Once again we will see here the problem is that what must be added to this polynomial fx so that the resulting polynomial is divisible by gx. Here we want to find the what must be added. So first of all we know that the remainder should be subtracted from the fx. fx में से जो रिमाइंडर आएगा उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो रिमाइंडर 0 हो जाएगा. When you will divide it by gx, then it will be completely divisible. When the remainder subtracted from the fx, then the fx will completely divisible by gx. Remainder 0 होना चाहिए. यदि fx gx से डिवाइड हो रहा है, if fx is divisible by gx, तो रिमाइंडर आपका क्या होना चाहिए? Remainder must be 0. That means now it is not a 0. When you will divide it, you will get some remainder here. So whatever remainder we get here must be इसका हम रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे ताकि इसको हम किस में सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकें. रेसिप्रोकल को हम ऐड करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो रिमाइंडर जो बचेगा वो इलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. इसीलिए हम इसका क्या लेंगे, यहाँ पर रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, माइनस ऑफ आर एक्स लेंगे ताकि वो जो उसको आर एक्स को कैंसिल कर देगा और हमको कंप्लीट एफ एक्स जो मिलेगा वो कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल होगा जी एक्स से. तो आप समझ गए हमने यहाँ पर आर एक्स किस लिए लिया है. वाई वी हैव टेकन माइनस ऑफ आर एक्स बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू इलिमिनेट द आर एक्स टू मेक इट अ कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल एफ एक्स बाय gx. To make fx completely divisible by gx, we want to eliminate the rx from the polynomial. So we'll add the minus of rx or reciprocal of rx to make it a completely divisible or to eliminate the remainder here. Next problem. Yes children, we have already earlier also discussed that if alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial, zeros of the cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Where a is not equal to 0, then relation between the sum of the zeros alpha, beta, gamma and the coefficient of the polynomial px is given by minus b by a. That is sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is given by minus b by a. Similarly, the sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time is equal to c by a, that is alpha beta plus gamma plus alpha is equal to c by, that is the sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time. And similarly, the product of the zeros, alpha into beta into gamma, is given by minus d by a. Now, with the help of this, we'll try to make a polynomial, cubic polynomial, when the roots alpha, beta and gamma are given to you. When the roots alpha, beta and gamma are given to you. So here x is equal to, when the alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the polynomial. So how do we make the polynomial? How to make a cubic polynomial? कैसे बनेगा cubic polynomial? Px is equal to x cube minus sum of the zeros into x square plus sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time into x minus product of zeros दैट इज, ये आपका फॉर्मूला आपको मिल गया. यदि आपके पास अल्फा, बीटा और गामा 3 रूट्स हैं, देन यू वांट टू मेक अ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल px, देन द व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द px विल बी इक्वल टू द x क्यूब माइनस सम ऑफ द रूट्स इनटू x स्क्वायर प्लस sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time into x minus product of the roots alpha, beta and gamma. So by using this problem, let us solve the, by using this concept, let us solve the problem. Find the cubic polynomial with the sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time, and the product of the zero is minus 2, minus 7, minus 14. So here we want to make a cubic polynomial. Here first of all, what is given here? Sum of the roots given. Sum is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equal to 2, and sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time, that means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time is equal to minus 7, and product of the root alpha, beta into gamma is equal to minus 14. That is given to you, and we want to make a cubic polynomial. So what we have to do here? Now we know that px is equal to, cubic polynomial px will be equal to x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x, sum of the roots into x square plus alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha into x minus product of the roots alpha into beta into gamma. So simply we have to put the values of alpha plus gamma, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, and alpha into beta into gamma. That is sum of the roots, product of the roots, and the sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time. इनकी values हम इसमें put कर देंगे. So we will get the polynomial here. X cube is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha plus beta plus gamma here? Is equal to 2. So minus 2x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, that is equal to minus 7x, minus 7 x, यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर नहीं होगा बेटा, ये x होगा, minus alpha into beta into gamma, which is equal to minus 14. So what will be the polynomial we will get here? X cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. That will be the polynomial here, which you want to find, which you have find with the help of the relation of the zeros. यहाँ पे relation of the zeros का मतलब है अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा आपको दिया हुआ है, sum of the zeros दिया था यहाँ पर, आप देख सकते हैं sum of the zeros दिया था, sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time given है, and alpha plus beta plus gamma given है. With the help of these three we want to make the cubic polynomial. So what is the cubic polynomial here? X cube minus sum of the zeros into x square plus sum of the product of the zeros taken two at a time into x minus alpha beta into gamma. So simply we have put the values and we have got the cubic polynomial here. Now if the zeros of the next question, if the zeros of the polynomial are ab, this is the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. इस polynomial के zeros हमको given है ab, a और a minus b. Then find the value of a and b. The question incomplete है. Find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. We want to find the value of a and b. A and b are if the px is equal to polynomial px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. This is the polynomial and the roots of the polynomial are alpha a plus b, a or a minus b. So what is the relation between the roots? Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. On comparing the px with ax square, on comparing the px with ax square, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, we will get here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 1 and d is equal to 1. We know that sum of the roots of the cubic polynomial alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Here alpha plus beta plus gamma, that means a plus b plus a minus b is equal to minus b by a. Here when you will solve it, you will get 3a is equal to minus b by a. What is the value of minus b here? Minus of minus 3 by, what is the value of a? 1. That is 3a is equal to 3, implies that a is equal to 1. Now again we know that alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्स d माइनस डी बाई ए होता है विथ, तो हम यहाँ पे अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू गामा, दैट मीन्स a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू माइनस डी बाई ए. आगे इसको हम जब सॉल्व करेंगे, यहाँ पे आप मिलेगा आपको a इंटू ए प्लस बी ए माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू minus d. What is d? What is the value of d? 1 minus 1 upon 1. So we'll put the values of, on putting the value of a here in equation 1, on putting the value of a, आप a की प्लेस पर उसकी वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, क्या आ जाएगा 1 इंटू a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस बी, दैट इज a स्क्वायर. इसको हम एक स्टेप और आगे बढ़ाते हैं, a इंटू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. इससे अब हम इनमें जब a की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, व्हेन यू विल पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ a, यू विल गेट 1 इंटू 1 स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. सो ऑन सॉल्विंग इट, 1 minus b square is equal to minus 1. So minus b square is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus b square is equal to minus 2. माइनस से माइनस साइन कैंसिल होगा, b square is equal to 2. So b is equal to plus minus root 2. So what is the value of a and b? Answer, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to plus minus root 2. That we want to find if the zeros of the polynomial given and the relation of the roots has been given to you. So you can find the unknown A and B. Thank you for this. Only that much we will learn in this video.